Buying a rental property with a friend is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy a rental property with a partner. So in order to do the process, you need to call any of the real estate agent, and he will help you in the process. But I'm going to tell you that 5 things that you need to care while doing this thing. So as you guys can see, you need to you'll build equity in the property, and you just need to be careful about the mortgages and all the debts that you have to pay, and you have to make sure your partner is paying as well. You have to take care about the tax benefits. You have to take care about the property taxes, insurance, repair and maintenance. You have to take care about all of these things. Still, there are a lot of pros and cons as well, which you can explore by talking to a real estate agent. So you just need to call your real estate agent and talk to him that I want to buy a land and I have a partner. We both want to invest in some sort of land or stuff, or any of the rental property that you want to buy. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this really helpful.